Want to automatically collect Google reviews after order delivery using WhatsApp? In this video, I'll guide you step by step to create a WhatsApp template in Mercuri. Start by heading to the Template section in the Mercuri CX dashboard. Then select WhatsApp. Click the Create Template button in the top right corner. Now enter the template name, choose the language, and pick a category. Since this template is based on user actions, select Utility. Adding a header is optional, but you can include text or a media header based on your preference. In the body of the message, craft a friendly and personal note asking for feedback. Use dynamic variables like the customer's name and order details to make it personal. Now map each variable to its actual data field. These variables will be automatically replaced with the actual values when the message is sent, ensuring each customer gets a personalized acknowledgement. For the footer, add your brand name to keep it visible and give every message a professional finish. Now let's set up the call to action buttons. Click on Add button and choose Visit Website. Enter the button text as Leave a Review. Set the URL type to static since every customer will go to the same Google review page. Then paste your business's Google review link in the website URL. Preview your message. Once satisfied, click Create Template. That's it. You've successfully created a Google Review WhatsApp template for your business.